You want to have better focus, concentration, and be more productive every day? Then you got to improve your sleep. So you've got 4 stages of sleep. A lot of people will spend their time stuck in stage 1 and 2 of sleep. And when you do that, you wake up, you don't feel rested. You feel really groggy, you have to hit the snooze a couple times. But the other thing that happens when you consistently don't get into the deeper stages of sleep is you don't repair and regenerate and clean out your brain. So your brain requires nightly maintenance to run optimally. And when it doesn't get that nightly maintenance, you can get away with it now and then, but when you do it chronically, over time, you're going to run into problems. Your brain doesn't regenerate, it doesn't repair itself, it doesn't clean out the damage, and you pay for it, either with poor focus and concentration, anxiety, depression, headaches, migraines. It affects us all differently. But if you have any of these symptoms, there's probably a very good chance that your sleep is not what it could be. So the key to good sleep is healthy melatonin levels. I'm not talking about supplementing it, I'm talking about making your own. So one of the keys for good melatonin is morning sunshine. That's actually one of the best ways for you to naturally make it in your brain. Then at night, you've got to protect yourself from blue light, because when you get exposure to blue light at night, it sends a signal to your brain to turn off production of melatonin. Then you don't get into a deep sleep. And you might think that you slept well throughout the night, but like I said, if you're waking up, you're not feeling rested, guess what? You didn't get a good sleep, and over time that's going to impact your brain. So fix your sleep.